Think of the YouTube algorithm as a super smart traffic cop for the internet's biggest video library. Its main job is to direct viewers to the videos they are most likely to enjoy and watch. It's a complex system designed to keep people on the platform for as long as possible. The algorithm doesn't just randomly pick videos, it studies what you watch, what you skip, how long you watch, and what you engage with. Based on all that data, it tries to predict what you'll want to see next. Its goal is simple: a happy viewer who keeps coming back for more, which means more opportunities for YouTube and creators to succeed. This system is the engine that powers the entire platform. For creators and businesses, understanding this algorithm is not just important, it is everything. You could create the most amazing, high-quality video in the world, but if the algorithm doesn't show it to the right people, it might as well be invisible. Mastering the algorithm means you can get your content in front of a targeted audience that is genuinely interested in your message. This leads to more views, more subscribers, and ultimately, more impact and income. It's the difference between shouting into an empty room and speaking to a stadium full of eager fans. Your success on YouTube is directly tied to your ability to work with, not against, this powerful system. Your goal as a creator is to send positive signals to the algorithm. Every time someone clicks on your video, watches it for a long time, likes it, or leaves a comment, you are telling YouTube, hey, this is a good video. The algorithm collects these signals from millions of viewers and uses them to rank and recommend content. It's a feedback loop. Good content gets promoted, reaches more people, and gathers more positive signals, which leads to even more promotion. This is why some videos go viral while others struggle to get 100 views. It's not about luck. It's about strategically giving the algorithm what it wants. Ultimately, the algorithm is designed to serve the viewer. YouTube's business model depends on viewer satisfaction. If people enjoy the videos they are shown, they will stay on the platform longer, watch more ads, and maybe even subscribe to YouTube Premium. So, when you focus on creating videos that your audience loves, you are naturally aligning yourself with the algorithm's goals. Instead of trying to trick the system, the best strategy is to focus on delivering massive value to your viewers. When you serve your audience well, the algorithm will reward you by serving your content to a wider audience. It's a win-win situation for everyone involved. The most powerful place the algorithm works its magic is on the YouTube homepage. This is the first thing most people see when they open the app or visit the website. The home feed is a highly personalized collection of videos tailored specifically to each user's viewing habits. The algorithm pulls from channels you're subscribed to, videos your lookalikes are watching, and topics it thinks you'll find interesting. Getting your video featured on someone's homepage is like hitting the jackpot because it puts your content directly in front of an engaged viewer without them even having to search for it. This is prime real estate on the platform. Another critical area is the suggested videos section. This is the list of videos that appears on the right side of the screen on a desktop or below the video you are currently watching on mobile. The algorithm's job here is to create a binge session by recommending what to watch next. It often suggests videos from the same creator or videos on a similar topic. If your video can consistently get recommended next to popular videos in your niche, your channel can experience explosive growth. This is where long watch sessions are born, and it's a key signal to YouTube that your content is great at keeping people on the platform. YouTube is also the world's second largest search engine, right after Google. When a user types a query into the search bar, the algorithm doesn't just look for videos with matching keywords. It analyzes which videos have best satisfied users who have searched for that term in the past. It considers factors like watch time and engagement for those specific search results. Ranking high in search is powerful because it connects you with viewers who have a specific problem or question. They are actively looking for a solution, and if your video provides it, you can gain a loyal subscriber who sees you as a trusted expert. Finally, the algorithm's influence extends to your subscriptions feed, notifications, and even trending tabs. While the subscriptions feed is more chronological, the algorithm still decides which new uploads to send push notifications for, based on how often a viewer interacts with a specific channel. A spot on the trending page is driven by a combination of rapid view velocity and broad appeal. Across every surface of the platform, the algorithm is constantly working, sorting, and ranking millions of videos to create the most engaging experience possible. Your job is to understand these different surfaces and optimize your content to perform well on each of them. The first and most important metric you need to understand is the click-through rate, or CTR. This measures the percentage of people who see your video's thumbnail and title, which is called an impression, and actually click to watch it. A high CTR tells YouTube that your video's packaging is compelling and relevant to the audience it's being shown to. If your thumbnail is boring or your title is vague, people will scroll right past it, resulting in a low CTR. This signals to the algorithm that your video isn't grabbing attention, so it will stop showing it to more people. A strong CTR is the first gate you must pass through for a video to have any chance of success. Once a viewer clicks, the next critical metric is audience retention. This shows you exactly how long, on average, people are watching your video. Are they leaving after the first 10 seconds, or are they sticking around until the very end? A high audience retention rate is one of the strongest positive signals you can send to the algorithm. It proves that your content is delivering on the promise made by your title and thumbnail. A video with a high CTR but low audience retention is considered clickbait, and YouTube will quickly stop promoting it. Your goal is to hook the viewer early and keep them engaged throughout the entire video. Next up is overall watch time. This is the total number of minutes viewers have spent watching a specific video. While audience retention looks at the percentage of a video watched, watch time focuses on the raw minutes. This is why longer videos can often perform very well on YouTube. A 15-minute video with 50% audience retention generates 7.5 minutes of watch time per viewer, while a 4-minute video with 100% retention only generates 4 minutes. The algorithm wants to keep people on the platform, so videos that accumulate a high total watch time are seen as extremely valuable and are more likely to be promoted across the platform. Finally, we have engagement. This is a broad category that includes likes, dislikes, comments, shares, and subscribes generated by a video. When viewers take the time to engage with your content, it sends a powerful social signal to YouTube that your video is sparking conversation and building a community. Comments in particular show that your content is thought-provoking enough to elicit a response. Encouraging your audience to participate by asking questions and responding to their comments is a key strategy. A video with strong engagement metrics tells the algorithm that it's not just being watched, but that it's also making an impact on its audience. Okay, so the first step to success actually begins before you even hit record. It's all about your title and thumbnail. This combo is basically your video's billboard. Your thumbnail needs to be bright, clear, and emotionally compelling, and honestly, it usually works best if you feature a human face with a really expressive reaction. Try to avoid clutter and definitely use large, easy-to-read text. Your title should be intriguing and packed with keywords, so people can actually find it in search. I highly recommend using tools like TubeBuddy or VidIQ to see what people are searching for. A powerful title combined with an irresistible thumbnail is the 1-2 punch that gets you a high click-through rate, which is like the gateway to getting more views. Now, once someone clicks, the first 15 seconds of your video are the most critical. This is your shot to hook them and prove your video is going to deliver on the promise of your title. Start with some high energy, clearly state the value the viewer will get, or ask a compelling question or present a problem that your video will solve. Avoid those long, slow intros with generic branding animations. Just get straight to the point. A strong hook right at the start can massively improve your audience retention, and that tells YouTube your content is engaging from the very beginning. If you lose your audience in those first few moments, the algorithm will notice and your video's reach will be, well, pretty limited. Encouraging interaction is another huge key to sending positive signals to the algorithm. Throughout your video, and especially at the end, you should explicitly ask your audience to engage. Ask them a specific question related to your video's content, and tell them to leave their answer in the comments below. Remind them to hit the like button if they found the video helpful, and to subscribe for more content like it. This isn't just about vanity metrics, it's a smart way to boost the engagement signals that YouTube's algorithm loves. Building a community that actually participates is honestly a cornerstone of long-term channel growth. And hey, don't forget the power of playlists. Grouping your videos into well-organized playlists is a super simple but incredibly effective strategy. When a viewer finishes one video in a playlist, the next one starts automatically, creating this seamless binge-watching session. That seriously increases the total watch time from a single viewer. Create playlists based on specific topics, series, or formats. For example, a beginner's guide to photography playlist can walk a new viewer through a structured learning path, keeping them on your channel way longer and signaling to the algorithm that your channel is an authority on that topic. In 2025, YouTube Shorts are no longer just some side feature. They're actually a primary driver of channel discovery now. The algorithm is really pushing Shorts to compete with other short-form video platforms. These quick vertical videos have their own dedicated feed and can introduce your channel to millions of new viewers who might never have found your long-form content otherwise. The key here is to create engaging, fast-paced shorts that people can watch super quickly. You can use them as trailers for your longer videos, share quick tips, or hop on trending audio. And honestly, a viral short can bring in a massive wave of new subscribers who you can then turn into real fans of your main content. Live streaming is also more important than ever. Going live creates this unique sense of urgency and community that pre-recorded videos just can't match. The algorithm often gives live streams priority visibility, like sending notifications to your subscribers and even featuring them right on the homepage. Live sessions also rack up a ton of watch time and let you engage with your audience in real time through live chat. You can use live streams for Quanda sessions, behind-the-scenes looks, or live tutorials, and the best part, after the stream ends, it becomes a regular video on your channel so it keeps gathering views and watch time. Super efficient content strategy. The Community tab is now a seriously powerful tool for engaging your audience outside of just video uploads. Think of it as your channel's own social media feed. You can use it to post polls, ask questions, share GIFs, and promote upcoming videos. The algorithm actually tracks engagement on these posts, and having an active Community tab helps keep your channel top of mind for your subscribers, even when you aren't posting new videos. Using polls to ask your audience what video they want to see next is an awesome way to get direct feedback and make sure your next upload is something your viewers are already pumped about. Finally, the rise of AI is really changing the game, especially with features like AI-powered captions and translations. YouTube's automatic captioning has gotten way better, making your videos accessible to a global audience and to people who watch without sound. In 2025, you can use AI tools to not only generate super accurate captions, but also translate them into multiple languages with just a single click. This massively expands your potential audience. By enabling these features, you're signaling to the algorithm that your content is accessible and has global appeal, which can help it get recommended to viewers in totally new countries and demographics, fueling international growth.